कौन कौन है यहाँ पे?
पांडे जी, मैं, बस।
मैं भी हो गए।
दिल से सर नहीं यार साहब, कब से हो? नहीं ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था, मैंने कब से हो?
मतलब सुविधा वो करते हैं।
अल्लाह कसम लगते नहीं।
तू बड़ा लगा भी बनता है।
मैं भी नहीं लगता ना, मैं कब बोला मैं लगता हूँ? सुना आज तक तो भूल भी जाता हूँ कभी कभी।
बात नहीं खत्म हो जाती।
हाँ
पता है
क्या? नहीं अभी नहीं, खाने लगूंगा मेरी हिसाब से। नहीं अभी नहीं खाया, खाते नहीं खाते बोल देता, जैसे मैं दारू पीने तो बोलते पीते
मधुरा सेवन बोलते हैं उसके।
पर घर पे जिस दिन पता चला कि बहुत पटाई रही है मेरी।
हाँ लड़की का नंबर दे हमको।
नहीं वो इतनी बड़ी गलती हम हमारे हाथ से नहीं करते ना।
कोई बात नहीं, उसको बोलूंगा कि बोलो कि सबके घर का एक नंबर उसको दे दो एचआर ठीक है ना।
तुम इतनी बड़ी गलती करती नहीं हो ना, हमें सर को भी नहीं पता, हम इससे घर पहुंच जाते हैं छोड़ के चलो, इसलिए दिन वो होगा
फिर भी सर्च करता है।
अरे यार मैं परेशान हूँ सच्ची।
फ्रीलांसर सर्च करता है,
क्लिक करके भूल जाओ, आराम से भूल जाओ। उसमें ये सेव भी नहीं रहता आजकल।
तो यार उससे टीम में से कोई करता है
पता नहीं, मुझे ये दिया गया है इसी से करो बोलते, ये बंद हो गया तो बोलते वो क्यों बंद हुआ, मुझे क्या पता। अरे नंबर में हो जाओ, मुझे वही लॉगिन चीजें आने लगेंगी।
कनेक्ट करने में 1 घंटा लग जाता है। तो
वो मैं आधे घंटे से कॉल पे 6 बजे से लेकर 6:15 से लेकर 6:45 तक आई नहीं है, तो पहले मैंने एक कॉल डाल दिया था उसको, उसका दिन के बाद आई। चलो मैं
टाइम हो रहा है उनका
10 खींचना नहीं तो पीछे नहीं खींचो।
नहीं सर मैं जा रहा हूँ। तुम्हें कहीं और बैठ के लेना।
Hello, Kushi. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello, Kushi. Are you there? Hello, 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 Kushi. Are you there? Hello, Kushi. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Yeah, Kushi. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. Maybe actually today Nazar is not available. It's not feeling well. Okay. Let's start a session. Maybe I will demo key or demo. So did you revise that theming? Uh, so let's discuss about what we have discussed. So in our last session, what we discussed about the theme, basics of the theme, and we just try to convert our HTML template into Drupal theme. What we have done, HTML template to our Drupal theme. Okay, so I will just revise that thing because that is kind of important, and maybe I didn't send anything. Did I send anything, any zip file or any video? I didn't. Okay, so I will just revise that today and try to implement with yourself. Try to implement with any other HTML and any other HTML template. You can get the HTML template in Google. Any basic HTML template you can get. Okay, this is our Drupal website. We converted our Drupal, our simple HTML. Where is our HTML website? One second. So this is the code. I will just revise that code and let me show you first our HTML. Where is our HTML template? Actually, I just saved that HTML in the same location. Let me just remove from there or copy from anywhere else. www within the www meditation hyphen yoga sites all and themes. What we are doing, we are creating a theme. Sorry, hello. Yeah, can you hear me properly? Yeah, means if you want to create a theme from the HTML template, so just you need a HTML template, okay, and then Drupal a core website, a blank website Drupal folder, just newly zip unzip folder. You can say you already have Drupal zip, or you can download it again and try to implement that theme into website. Okay, I will just show you. what I have done, I have, okay, let us assume I have downloaded this, sorry, frozen, okay. Can you share me, can you see the screen, these two folder now? Right now I am on desktop, okay. Okay, let's assume I have a folder. I just downloaded that folder from over internet, from the internet, this folder. Okay, within this folder, can you see this folder listing? Okay, within this folder, what I have HTML template and different thing. What I have to do, I have to create that kind of theme. Which kind of theme? Just run this HTML. You can run directly. If you have code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, all are the client side scripting languages. You can see it will our browser will support. Browser can execute the code of CSS, the code of HTML, the code of JavaScript and jQuery also. Okay, so you can open directly to the any browser. I'm just open the index.html with the HTML. Okay, so this is the file we have run from the desktop. Yeah, what we are getting? We are getting a HTML template. This is not a Drupal website. Okay, this is just a HTML, simple HTML template. We have about us page, classes, .html file. You can see here our URL. Every time if I just go to blog, URL is changed. Okay, so this is what I get from the internet, or in the case of development, uh, client will provide us that kind of thing, that kind of HTML, or maybe client just provide PSD means just a design, not a HTML, not even HTML, just a simple design of pages. Then our designer convert that PSD according to PSD. Just our designer develop a design template, HTML template, this kind of template. And what is our work? Our work is just convert this HTML template to Drupal theme. Do you get the point, Kushi? Hello. Okay, what we have to do, Kushi? What is our work? What is our responsibility? No, 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 not download. Okay, let's assume we are in development environment in any company. Okay, so what is our responsibility? You are a Drupal developer. What is your responsibility in this scenario? No, in this scenario means we HTML template and Drupal theme. You have to convert HTML template into Drupal theme. What is your responsibility? And from where we get HTML? From the designers. From the designers we get HTML. Okay, okay. In the real time development scenario, real time development, whatever be in the company environment, this is the process. Means you get the HTML, a fully working responsive HTML, and you just have to convert that HTML into Drupal theme. Okay, so this is the fully, let's assume this full work responsive HTML. This is the HTML, and we have to convert this HTML into Drupal theme. So we already did that. This is same HTML, and we convert into our Drupal website that same HTML. Okay, with the help of one new theme. Okay, Khushi, did you understand requirement or not? Hello, Khushi. Yeah. Okay, let's move ahead. Now we have HTML and we have a Drupal. So if you have a core HTML, what you have to do? You have to download Drupal, a new Drupal, install that new Drupal. Okay, let's assume we are creating a new website. Every time, whenever you want, you have to um, create a theme, or yeah, there's some chance to create a theme according to means just converting sorry, just changing any theme of existing website. Right now what we are seeing, creating a theme from the new website, new Drupal folder. Okay, so let's assume I have downloaded a Drupal folder and install that folder with a database. I've used simple installation process. At the start of sessions we see that how we install the Drupal. Okay, in this Drupal, what we have to do first, we have to create a theme folder. Okay, what we have to do, Kushi, we have to create a folder within the themes folder. So we have created, just don't see this, and just remove that. Okay, so I have created the theme name, whatever be the name with the folder. Okay, I just gave the name of my theme, and within this folder I have to create, I just, first thing is info file, most important file, .info file. Okay, Kushi, this is, I'm just telling you the process step by step. First, get the HTML, whatever the HTML we are going to create a Drupal theme according to that HTML. So what we have to do, just download the Drupal, install the Drupal, and now within the sites, all themes, create a folder with your theme name, whatever you want the theme name, and within that folder, just first you have to create a .info file. Within the .info file, there is some information, core information. This is the simple information: name, description, version, and code. Okay, this is the version of theme, and this is the version of Drupal. Whatever be the Drupal version, it will just work on that particular Drupal version. Okay, now this is how we include the style.css file. What we include? .css file. Within the .css file, we just use cascade styling sheet code. Okay, CSS code. And this is the way: script, a single, a big bracket, and equals to JS. Within the JS folder, we have jQuery min.js, mobile.js, and function.js. Whatever is JS, we need the compulsory JS file we have included here like this. And we have to create areas. Regions means areas of our web page, of that theme. Okay, what we have done? Yeah, we have created an area of header, an area for content, an area for footer, and footer left and footer right. Okay, within the footer we just divided footer left and footer right. Okay, so what is this, Kushi? This is the including our CSS file. So our CSS file should be within the CSS style.css, our file name. Let's see, is there that kind of file or not? Yeah, w our www of what website name, within the sites, all themes, and this is our theme name. Within the theme name, yeah, we have a CSS folder, so we have to create a CSS folder for our all CSS. Right now we have only two. It might be 10, it might be 100 of CSS files. Okay, so you have to include all the files, CSS files, here within the .info file. Okay, do you get the point, Kushi? Now next, JS file, same way. Within the JS, include the required JS file and just include them from the .info files, okay, and areas, and create. This is the font folder, just supporting for our styling. Just include if you have within the HTML the font folder. Just create here also the font folder and just include all the files. These files will be used within these CSS files. Okay, there is a URL for that different fonts. We have the URL in this CSS files. Okay, now. And the JS and template, just create a template folder. Within the template folder we generally save page.tpl.php. okay, whatever with the number of pages pages we will save in template file. Okay, in the templates file, but we have put in templates file. I will just describe you again. And some logo if we need bound logo, and template.php also. Right now there is nothing in template.php. There is nothing, no code is there. But if we want to add some extra functionality of our theme, we have to code within the template.php, and we need that template.php. okay, right now there is nothing. Okay, Gushi. Now let's start. We have created .info file. .info file just describe the information, then including different files, style.css file, and the describing the areas with the help of regions. Okay, just you can see the assigning the different areas. So that all code we have to done within the .info file for theme creation. Okay, is there any doubt, any confusion till now, Kushi? No doubt. Okay. Okay, just tell me why we use this CSS. This only this CSS word. CSS. Why we use? No, that CSS means, yeah, this is the way. The whole line will just describe us how to include any CSS file. Within this line, what does this CSS mean? Why we use this CSS? This CSS. This CSS means just this word of CSS. This word, CSS word, here, before slash, before backslash, indicate to where and what. This CSS. Sorry. With the help of with the help of CSS, different style.css and mobile.css, we are going to style our web pages and look and feel of our theme, whatever it will just done with the help of CSS. But I am just asking, why we use this CSS word before the backslash? Our CSS file name is mobile.css. So what is indicate this CSS before just backslash? There is a JS also. Why we use this JS? Why we use this CSS? This is just the indication of folder name. We have created a folder, CSS folder and JS folder. This is our CSS folder and this is our JS folder. We are just pointing to our folder name. What we are doing? Pointing to, this is CSS. Within the CSS folder we have style.css. Yes. Within the CSS folder we have mobile.css. Yes. Okay. So this is the way how we include the CSS file. If we let's assume our files not within the folder, it is within the root directory. Root directory for theme. This is the root directory for the theme. Okay, here Let's assume we have style.css and mobile.css file here. So we don't have to write the CSS folder, okay? Folder name here, okay? Just directly use style.css file name. Right now we have within .css file, okay? Now, next we have included CSS, we have included JS. Oh, one second. अभी 15 मिनट yeah, because of this, now what we have created right now, we have created a folder of within the themes of we have created a folder. Within the folder we have created CSS folder, fonts folder, images folder, JS folder, template folder, and one info file. And we have just logo.png and screenshot.png we need for our styling. So we have put that. From where we get all of these, in just excluding the templates folder and .info file, and everything we get from our HTML template. Within the HTML template, we have CSS folder, yes. We have JS folder, fonts folder, images folder. Okay, all these folder we have created from our HTML template. Okay. Now next, we have discussed about .info file. If you just created this kind of architecture, then from where you can get your theme. Go to appearances. By default, maybe the Bartik theme will be activated. So now, after creating this, you have to enable your newly created theme. What you have to do? You have to enable newly created theme. So this is your theme name. Okay. Right now it is set as default, but at the first time you will get your theme maybe here, and you will get these three options within your theme also. Whatever your theme name, so just click on set default, then our theme will be activated. If I just go to Bartik and just create the set default, then our theme will be changed. Look and feel, all the thing has been changed. No images, nothing, just there is a pages, basic pages, whatever we have created are there. No, I'm just showing you what kind of structure you will get first time. This kind of means where is our theme? Yeah, this is our theme name. Sorry, yeah, this is our theme name. Can you see? So we have to set default right now. Right now, by default, there is your simple core Drupal folder will be look like this. Drupal website will be look like this simply. Okay, just forget about these menus because we have created these menus, basic pages. That's why it's appearing in the menu section. It will look like this, but we don't need that kind of. We have to enable our theme. How we enable? Just go to your theme and set default. Within the appearances, you will get the list of themes. Okay. Within the appearances, just get the list. Go to your themes and set default. So your new theme, whatever you have created, it will be just set it to our default theme right now. If we refresh, okay. Is there any issue, Khushi? Any doubt? Okay. Now, so what we have done till now? HTML we have template, then we have created a theme name, our theme folder within the themes. Okay, give the name and just copy. You can say just created CSS folder, JS folder, images folder, because we need some images folder for creating that kind of theme. Okay, and within the JS, we put the JS file, within the CSS, put the CSS file, and just create one template folder. Okay, we will just use template folder later on, and just create within the root of that particular thing .info file with the name of your theme. Okay, within the .info file, what we have, simple description of theme, and including of CSS and JSS, and defining different areas or regions of our web page. Okay, till now that 4 or 5 steps we have done. Okay, Kushi. Now next, we have to create. Just go back to your themes. We have it. Template.php, yeah, a blank template.php also create before enabling the theme. Okay, then only your theme will be listed within the appearances. Okay, now we have created .info. Yeah, we already know the code. Template.php right now it is blank. For basic themes it is blank. Okay, for extra functionality we will use template.php in our future session. Now next, within the templates folder, this is the most important folder of theming, Drupal theming. We have created two .tpl.php file. tpl.php, two tpl.php. First one is page.tpl.php, second one page hyphen front.tpl.php. So this file, the second one just gives the different layout, and just because of our sorry, that front page style, front page content, just because of our this file. Okay, this whole content, our header, menu, content area, footer, footer left, footer right. Right now it is not aligned properly. Okay, but we can align with the help of some CSS code. So this is the front page. This is just because of this. Where is that folder? Because of page front.tpl.php. Let's see what we have done in that particular folder. Here is the folder. Okay, can you see my screen properly? In this folder, what I have done, I have just declare a global variable base URL. And after that, I have to compare something. Compare something means how we get theme means system main menu. What is this? Because of the menus is displayed. Links links underscore system underscore main underscore menu. There is two underscores. Okay, there is two underscores. Just remember that. How many underscores are there? Two. Okay. So with this function, theme, link, system main menu, array, links, main menu, $main menu attributes. Because of this line of code, we will get our menus. What we will get? Our menus. You can see here is our menus. Here is our menus. Okay. If I remove this line of code, then menu will be destroyed or deleted. You can say there is no menu now. So you understand now why we are getting that particular menu now. So why we use this div and this div and this start? Because in our theme structure in HTML, in core HTML, we have that kind of coding. We have that kind of div and the same classes. That's why we use, let me show you the index.html. Just open index.html. Yeah, here is the index.html. Then yeah, we have included the link and JS file already. Okay, these two three things we have included within the .info file. Okay, then what we have within the header, HTML, these are the menu. Okay, within the header. Let me show you within the div ID header. There is a div with ID header. Yeah, and within the header we have one h1 also. We also use the yoga. Yeah, I just use as it is, just as it is. Okay, then rest of ULLI means rest of ULLI. We just use only a line of code only. Yeah. So all ULLI means there is a function available theme within the Drupal. There is a function theme, and if you pass within the theme, these are the arguments. Link underscore system main menu. So it will just defining that our main menu of website is displaying right now. Okay, and this is the print keyword. Also we have used, so it will print that main menu. And what is the property of main menu? Link main menu attribute. Within the attribute, what we have done, id we have given id, navigation and class. We have given two classes, links and inline. Okay, so this is the array type of argument. This is just the argument. Okay, within this argument there is one array type variable. This is the one whole variable, and within the array we have more arrays. Means this is the array within that particular second argument, and this array is within the array of second argument. Okay, kind of multi-dimensional array. So what we have done, links, main menu, attributes, id we have given id, class. And how would we know? We have to give the links, inline and clearfix, these classes. You can see in the HTML the UL. Where is the UL? Yeah, ID we have given navigation, and class current. There will be more classes. Right now we have used only two in the HTML. Okay, so you can give only two also. Let me save it. Save that. Where is our page? Template front.dpl. This is our page. Save it. We will get. Okay, so because of this line we get our menus. Okay, so we have header and we have class, id, navigation of our particular div, then anchor tag id, and there is a class also, links. Okay, links, inline and fix. We have done two the extra classes. Okay, now for designing purpose, now just for designing purpose, this is a heading of our front page. You can see here, this is the heading of our front page. We have just used like that. These are the heading. And within the image, what we have done, just give the URL of that particular image. Which image? This image. Where is this image? Within the images folder of our theme. Images folder. Within the images folder we have that particular. Now, how we get that image? Base URL. Okay, base URL we have used. Just point to our website domain name. Okay, if it is the facebook.com, then it will http:// okay, but we have our images within the our website name, within the sites, all themes and images. Then that folder within the images we have our image. So what we have done, path to theme, then images, and we just choose our that particular image. Okay, can you hear me? Do you understand how we get the image? The because of this base URL, we get the domain name of our website. Path to theme, we get that particular theme folder. Okay, whatever is our theme name, we will get that particular theme folder. Then within the theme folder, we have images and ready in use. Okay. One moment. This is just for the space. Okay, just for space. Now, next, now we have image also. We have that particular heading. Then just we have footer and footer left and footer right. How we do that? Footer left and footer right. Just a footer ID. We have already footer ID. You can see. Sorry, you can see here. This is our HTML code, simple HTML code, whatever the designer provide us. Within this, what we have within the body tag, inline, yes, within the footer div, we have our footer, two part of footer, left and right. Okay, so how we get that this footer? We just render $_page footer left, render $_page footer right. How we get from where we get $_page $page and this footer left reason we have created. First, what we have to do, we have to add content. Okay, a simple content. No, we have to create a blog. Yeah, you can see the content. First, you have to create content and assign to particular blog. You can see here. Last time also we have the footer. Yeah, blogs. Okay, blogs. Yeah, for the Drupal we have assigned to different blocks for this. One second, let me see from where we get that particular. Content about instruction, demo. No. Yeah, there's some issue with the image. Not an issue. Article, basic page, comments. Here we created that blocks. If you just forget about the header footer, actually yes, last session also I didn't get that header and footer. I have to ask my senior from where we get. Actually, maybe I have created. We have created blocks. Then we assign that particular block into that page, footer left and footer right. Okay, just forget about the footer right now. Just forget about the footer. Okay, just concentrate rest of the page. So front page we have created. So how we create that kind of front? What is that kind of design in the front page? This is. So this is the because of header. Okay, this is because of header. This is the because of that menu, and this is the because of the content area. Means you can say uh, heading and just showing a image with different classes. That's why it is aligned, because there is a CSS already defined for this page. We just align them, and for every inner pages means rest of home page, all pages called inner pages. Okay, about. So all the inner pages we have to create a content type, means we have to create a basic pages. For before that, before creating a basic pages, we have to create our page.tpl.php, means this page will be work for all basic pages, all content type. All means if you create 100 basic pages, then that kind of structure will be there for all 100 pages. Okay, that kind of structure will be there. We have just used again initialize global variable base URL. Base URL will be just give you domain name. Okay, page wrapper header, and this is the same coding how we get the menus, because we have menu in every pages. If you go to classes, we have menu. If you go to contact, we have menus. These are the main menus. Okay, now body print title. Title is also theme predefined function, title predefined variable, main menu predefined variable. Okay, and base URL is also predefined variable. Then page dollar underscore page predefined variable. Within the this variable there is a property content, means in this within this div they are going to display the main content, whatever the at the time of creating content type, means at the time of creating articles or basic page, whatever we write within the body section, that will uh, just pointed as a content. Okay, so that thing will be displayed here, and within the name whatever we write, it is just referred to title. And just image as source, same base URL or domain name of our website, path to theme means still our theme path, and within the images, within our theme path, there is a images folder. Within the images folder we have that same image, we are using the same image. Okay, just don't forget about these classes. From where you get these classes in extra classes? From this HTML file. Means one second, let me open about us. There is a about us .html. Okay, I open, this is core HTML coding. Means HTML and that kind of thing. Yeah, content, where we are. Okay, content is done. Or yeah, from here, what we are trying to print? Yeah, images. We get the image. Just after this, all the content, we get the image. Where is the image? SRC. This is the class. We have to include this class. Okay, this is the mg tag. Okay, that's why we have used same class. You can see here we have used class figure because there is some CSS code for this class. CSS code we can write of class, the help of class, or with the help of ID. We have to need the same classes, whatever be within the HTML template. Can you see here class figure, Kushi? Okay. Now next, what is the next? We are just discussing about us page. This is about us page, but that about us page will also work. Any page will work with the help of this. Now after rendering footer left, we have already defined the content with the help of not front, this one we are just seeing figure. Then content, whatever the content at the time of creation of basic pages, whatever the content, it will be displayed within this div. Whatever the image, it will display with the help of this image tag. Then there is a footer rendering and the footer left and footer right rendering. I will just show you from where we get that footers. Okay, so simple code. So this page work for of only for front page, and the second .tpl page will work for all other basic pages, articles, or any other custom user type. Okay, so this is the simple code. If I click on about, then I will get the same about page. Yeah, I'm getting the same about page. Why? Because there is a content we have already added. Yeah, there is a about page. About basic page we have added. What we did, a basic page we have added. About. You can see editing. Yeah, this is our content type or not, a basic page content type. You can add the basic pages or not, Kushi. So what we have done, we just add this basic page, give the title, give the body, within the body section whatever you have, it will as a treated as a content. Okay, menu link, give the menu link, provide a menu, just check on this and uncheck publish on front page. Just what we have used, uncheck, just publish, don't promote it to front page. Okay, don't promote it to front page. So this is any number of content you have created, it will be just follow that theme structure every time because of this tpl.php file. Okay, page.tpl.php file, because of this file in the template we have page.tpl.php. Okay, so just try to, I will just send you a zip file. Within that zip file, we have this website and database of this website. Just install that website and try to see all the theme. There is a theme. Okay, Kushi. So I will just try to send one more HTML template. So just create for me a new Drupal theme or Drupal website for that. Okay, a Drupal website for that. HTML template, a basic one, a simple one, same whatever we have. Okay, just word, browser is not working. Let me use basic. I need just 4 or 5 pages. Basic. Okay. Any template you need, just download that. Link. Google listing. Okay, you can create that kind of just a web sign in here. Simple one. Okay. Website will ask you to sign in first. Yeah, you can sign in a free sign in, but you just need a registration process. Very simpler one. Yeah, you can take there is no sidebar. Any theme with no sidebar. There's all theme with sidebar. Okay, just try to implement this one. Yeah, you can download any of them and just save them anywhere, or that HTML can run from anywhere. Simple HTML. If you have a code with simple HTML, then you can run your code from anywhere. No, you don't have to paste that within any folder. No, sorry, I didn't get you. Just yeah, extract that folder, extract that one. Are you asking for extract or anything else? Just extract anywhere. Just extracting within the desktop. Just click OK. It will be extracted. Feature 1. Feature 1. Then there's no feature. Sorry, no, 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 no. Not directly, because I have created that particular um, theme, Drupal theme, according to any other HTML. So you have to create a new HTML, a new folder also. One second, let it be X T E. Let's check here. Here also, yes, to all. Featured one should be there. Why it is not extracting? Yeah, template one. After extracting, there is a template one. So simple HTML. So you need only one. Try to create any other page also. Okay, just start with one. If you open into any browser, you will get that kind of code. Okay, or if you get any other simpler theme, just download it. Okay, and try to get that kind of code. So what you have to do now, if you want to create that kind of theme, what you have to do, you have to create just install a new Drupal website. Just install a new Drupal website. Okay, what you have to do, Khushi, install a new Drupal website within the themes folder. Sites, all themes, within the themes folder, just create a theme. Give any name, you can give any name of that folder. So give the same name and just follow the process, creating CSS file, creating JS file, JS, CSS folder, JS folder. Just put the CSS file within the CSS folder, put the JS file within the JS folder. Then just create the images file, put the images into images folder. Then just create a .info file, whatever the your theme name, .info file. Within a .info file description, just use the same description. After, include the CSS file, include the JS file, and divide your region. This is the footer. Sorry, no, you don't have to download. Yeah, if you download this thing, yeah, what you have done, you have downloaded this folder. Okay, template one folder. You have to, why we downloaded it? No, we have downloaded right now the template one, this folder, for particular theme, for particular template. This is the HTML template. Okay, where it is desktop within the template one folder. This is the page, HTML page. What we have to do, we have to create a theme just according to this page. Design should be like this of our theme. Okay, so what we have to, we have extracted. So what we are going to do, we are going to use, yeah, yeah, within this, within the theme folder. Yeah, you have to, within the theme folder, you have to copy paste this CSS folder and the images folder. And in place of HTML, you are not, you don't have to create the HTML folder file. You just have to create .info file, the template folder, the template.php file, and within the template folder, the page.tpl.php. Okay, and for front, page hyphen front.tpl.php. The folders, I will send you this folder. There is this one. This is our theme. No, this one, sorry. In bam www, this one, and within the sites, all themes, just create a folder, new folder for your new theme. Not here, in your newly developed, newly installed Drupal folder, where in new. Okay, and after this, just within the folder, create a new CSS and put the CSS, whatever with the CSS in your HTML template, just put that CSS into this CSS folder, put the JS if you have, put the images if you have, then just start the work. That template, create a template.php and templates folder. Within the templates folder for front, just create page.hyphen front.tpl.php. Okay, and write the code according to our previous theme, whatever we have created. Okay, okay, Kushi. So this is for the session. I'm just sending you the zip file. Just use that file. Try to install first, and yeah, first try to install that website, whatever we have created. That one. Try to install. Yeah, this one. We have a database within this. Just try to install this one first. We have a database within this. Then create a new database, create a new folder for that, and try to run it. And so you will get understand. You will get you know the file structure. You know the coding. Okay. If you install, then only you know the coding. Na? You can just compare your code. Okay. So install them, then just download a new template from over internet and try to create that kind of thing in your system. Okay, Kushi? Okay, I'm just sending you this file. This is for the session. Bye bye. Have a nice day.